Hey guys, it's Jason over at Kaiser Willys, and today I'm going to be introducing our USA-made leaf springs that Kaiser Willys has been making here. We just got these to drop. We've gotten on a couple shipments and a bunch of them have already gone out, but I wanted to kind of give you guys a moment to take a look at these and see what these leaf springs really are all about. So you can see the USA made leaf spring, or USA made imprint here on the leaf spring itself. But I also want to discuss, it is made in the USA, it's USA steel, and it's all of this it's right out of the good old state of Iowa. So all of this is 100% US product. So US made, US manufacturer, US assemble, all of the parts are US and so forth. So again, these leaf springs, we have these for the trucks, we have these for the civilian models if you're greasable, if you're non-greasable, if you are greasable. The bronze bushings that we do have in this, they do have a little bit of a groove inside of there, allows a little bit better grease transfer when you grease those pivot points. The non-greasable bushings, those are already in the ends as well, so they're pretty much ready to go. They do have a heavy duty clamp. It's made of a 5106H alloy steel, which is a high carbon chromium spring. So again, it's good for the strength, the toughness, it's fatigue resistant. So all these are really, really nice products. Like I said, the heavy duty clamps here. We do sell the import ones. That's what I have on my CJ2A here. We've put those on a number of our vehicles, been selling those for years. We sell a lot of those, but we do have the US purists that like to get as many US made parts as they can. Nobody has more US made parts than we do. We're starting a tally, we're marking our parts that are US made. We were over 550 and we haven't even gone through our entire website and catalog. So we're still adding those parts. You'll find those. There'll be a little tag on there now. It says Made USA. It'll be in our catalogs moving forward. I think it's in the one from this year, but we're gonna list that on our website as well. So again, these are the ones that when Carl, when he sold his parts to us, this is something that everybody said, we gotta have these, gotta have these. Well, Kaiser Willys is continuing these. Good old state of Iowa, so shout out to Iowa there. But you can pick these up on kaiserwillys.com. You can give me a call at 888-648-4923. We'd love to talk to you. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, guys.